Okay. Freedom seekers. We see the recession happening, and we really believe that one of the best paths to freedom today is through real estate. Everyone on our team of 6 invests in real estate in one way or another, and so we're coming from experience here. The passive income potential from real estate is even allowing us to produce this very video and continues to bring us a lot of money every month. With that said, we hope you're paying attention to this one and leave a like so we know the true freedom seekers. Let's get started. Real estate can be a great investment option, offering the potential to generate income and long-term capital appreciation. There are different ways to invest in real estate. Here are 3 that'll get less passive each time. Online real estate investing platforms. If you don't have the money to buy a property, or you're not interested in being a landlord, you could invest in a real estate online platform. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate without ever having to set foot on a property. You can choose from a variety of properties, and the platforms usually have a team of experts who will help you make the right decision. All the financials are included on each property, so you can make better investing decisions. One such online real estate investing platform is Fundrise. Fundrise allows you to invest in private real estate deals with as little as $500. You can open an account on the platform just like any investing platform, and you'll be on your way with this one, or you can try the next option. Buy REITs. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a type of security that allows you to invest in real estate without actually buying any property. REITs are created when a company takes all of the money it raises by selling shares and uses it to buy property. These companies are required by law to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. These companies are traded on the stock market just like Apple or Google. One major benefit to investing in REITs is that they only offer high liquidity. This means that you can sell your shares at any time, although we recommend holding them for the long term. One of our favourite REITs is Realty Income with the ticker symbol O. As of this video, it pays us 4.26%, and we've been invested for the past decade. One sec, freedom seekers, just reminding you to smash that like button. As a thank you, here's a picture of a smiling puppy. Investing in rental properties. Rental properties are a great way to invest in real estate without having to purchase a property yourself. When you invest in a rental property, you are essentially becoming a landlord. This means that you will be responsible for finding tenants, collecting rent, and maintaining the property. Before you invest in rental properties, here's what worked for us. You need to have a good understanding of the market in which you're investing. You also need to be prepared to handle the day-to-day maintenance and management of the property. Then finally, get really good at any rental platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, HomeAway, TripAdvisor, Furnished Finder, Roomster, Spare Room, HotPads, and more. We're big fans of Airbnb. Now, hold on to your seats, freedom seekers, because we have a little extra for the true fans that stick around until the end. Flipping investment properties. One last way to get started in real estate is to flip houses. This is when you buy a house with the intent of fixing it up and selling it for a profit. It can be a risky investment, but if you play your cards right, you can make a lot of money. Here's 2 things to keep in mind that worked for us. First, the profit is made at the close. Never invest in a deal that depends on the market conditions being right to be profitable. This is one sure way to cause yourself anxiety. Then, always budget at least 3 times as much time as the contractors tell you the property will take. Your preparation is what will make the deal profitable, so never go light on research. One more thing. It's always a good idea to talk with an experienced partner. We've lost a lot of money in the past trying to do things on our own, and that didn't work. So we hope you learn from our mistakes. That's all for today, freedom seekers. See you in the next video, and remember to subscribe so you know right away.